Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. This is another video of calendar business object. In this video, I am going to show you how to use count working days in range. How to get the count of working days in a range. It means range means between first date and the last date. So if you will provide the first date as a first date of any month and last date of that month, and then you want to get only working days. So how many working days? If you want to get a count only, you can use this count working days in a range. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let me take action stage here, double click on this, select calendar business object and select count working days in range. So it will give you the number of working days in the specific given date range. Now here we need to enter calendar name. So our calendar name, you know, that is USA calendar. Okay, and then we need to pass first date and last date, and these are mandatory fields. Now first date, let's say you want to get working days from this October month, so we'll take 1st of October and 31st of October. So I'm going to take here 1st of October, it means 01-10-2021 and put these in a double quotation. So this is our 1st October, and now I am going to pass here the last date, that is 31st October 2021. So this is the first date and this is the last date. So I want all this working days. Now go to output and create one data item which will store the count of this days, working days. Now click OK. Link this here, reset and refresh, right click, set next stage, step by step, and now we are getting 25 days. It means if you can calculate here, we have 1 and 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. So as per the actual working days, Monday to Friday, we should have 21, but here we are getting 25. This is why, because in our previous video, in this add working days, I shown you I selected Saturday as a working days. So that's why we have now 6 days in this week, that is working days. So 6, 6, 12, 18, 24 and this one more, right? So that's why we are getting as a 25. Now let me go to system, click on calendar from the system. Now select USA calendar, uncheck this. Now we have only Monday to Friday, that is actual working days. Save that, come to this, refresh, and then right click, set next stage, and now here we have 20 working days. So from this to this, so we need only between these 2 days we need working days. So 5, 5, 5, 5. So this is the starting and this is the end. In between we have only a start from 4 and to 29. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 20. So that's why we are getting output as a 20 days. We have 20 days working days. That starts from here. Okay. Now double click on this. If you want to get working days from current date to this 31st, so here also you can apply like this, today. It, It means current date is the first date and the last date range is 31st. So 31st, 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 and you can get the date range, the count. Now right click, set next stage, and now we are getting 10. It means today, start from today. So this is not a working days, so it means 5 and 5. So we have 10 working days. So by this way you can get the count of the working days in between the given date range. So I hope you learned something from this video. If so, then please like this video and please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks.